Evening and welcome to my channel. In this video I've got this 2011 SEAT Ibiza and it's in need of an MOT and a service, so give it a quick once over before we order any parts or do any work. I was told it's going to need a service which will help it get through emissions, but we'll have a quick look at brakes, and there's a little bit of a lip and there's been plenty of meat on the pad, so they seem to be alright. I think we need to do that, and it's the same story on this side, so they're alright. They don't need touching. I might clean them up and make sure they're free. They seem to be wearing evenly. And I can't tell on the other side. That's looking good, and with its rear drums, so they won't need any attention. So what I'll do is I'll just check it. Didn't notice the handbrake, a lot of travel on handbrake lever, so might need adjusting. But what I'll do is I'll just check the lights. So put it on the side lights. So yep, side lights are working. Go around to the back. Yep, that's good. So put it on dip beams, and I need to turn the ignition on. So do that. Let's have a look. Am I doing something wrong? Try again. Because steering's locked. Just unlock the steering. Right, so that's ignition on. Just track wipers, yep, that's good. Rear wiper, yeah, that's good. So, oh dear, no screenwash. So that's an instant MOT failure, but I've got some somewhere, so I'll top that up, but we'll just check it. And I'd like to see it be working. Yep. We've got dip beam headlights. I'll just check high beam. No, that's a screenwash. Yeah, high beam seem to be working. So next thing we'll do is check the indicators, put hazards on. So yeah, front left, right, front left. Yeah, rear left. There, hazards working, but I'll test the indicators as well. So check left. I should have checked right one first. Yep, that's good. Yep, so all good on the left. On the right. Yep. So that's fine. So cancel that, I'll try the brakes next. So I've enlisted the help of a glamorous assistant to check these brake lights. Right, Emma, press on brake pedal. Yep, we're all good, we're all working. Alright, thank you very much. So I might as well top up the screenwash while I'm here. I will be topping up with putting screenwash in, because it must be empty. Anyway, so that's all filled up, so we'll just check it. We're doing a visual check on wiper blades as well, just make sure they're alright. I've just checked oil level, Cameron, and that's fine. It's black, but level's fine. Coolant's clean. And I have a look on brake fluid as well. So what I'll do is I can close this bonnet and we'll start looking at these wiper blades next. Okay, so let's have a look at these wiper blades. It seemed alright when I did it. No obvious tears there. Check this one. So look, no, not not torn, I mean they're wiped alright, but best to check them visually. I'm going to check this back one. I know it's not part of the test, but yep, it's absolutely fine. So wiper blades are okay. So check this front right tyre. No, I'll check pressures as well, but no, can feel tread marks. It's way above. There's plenty of tread in that one. Move on to the left front, and that's a similar story. Yep, way above tread marks, tread mark wear indicators, and yep, that's fine as well. Nowhere near. Probably about 4 mil on these treads. Yep. So tyres are fine in terms of tread. So I'll check the pressures. I'll make sure they're up to pressure. I'll do that off camera. Okay, I've just given it a road test and it brakes in a straight line. I did an emergency stop, no problems there. So I'm happy it brakes are fine aside from this handbrake, but we'll have a look at that when it comes to service. So I'll get it priced up. I did budget for brakes, but they don't need doing. Don't need any new pads or no. So just give it the engine service, engine oil, filters, and spark plugs, and hopefully it should be a bit more responsive and get through the emissions test as well. So that's it for this little video. In next part of the SEAT video, we'll be giving it a service. Hope you enjoyed it. Please remember to like, subscribe, share, ring that notification bell and you get notified of upcoming videos. Questions and comments, you know where to put them. As ever, thanks for watching and I'll see you there.